Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Urus in GTA 5 online. First, understand that the in-game equivalent is the Pegasi Toros. To acquire this luxury SUV, you'll need to visit the legendary motorsport website within the game. Make sure your in-game bank account has enough funds, as the Toros typically costs around $498,000. It's a straightforward process to add this stylish vehicle to your collection. Once you've purchased your Pegasi Toros, head over to any Los Santos customs shop to make it truly yours. Here, you can significantly enhance its performance by upgrading the engine, transmission, and brakes, making it faster and more responsive. Don't forget to personalize its look with a fresh paint job, new wheels, and various body modifications to stand out on the streets of Los Santos. The Pegasi Toros isn't just about looks, it offers great utility too. It's perfect for cruising around the city or tackling off-road terrain with ease, thanks to its robust design. Its combination of speed and durability also makes it a solid choice for various in-game missions. Plus, with its 4-door capacity, you can comfortably transport up to 3 friends, making it ideal for group activities. To keep your Pegasi Toros in top condition, always store it in one of your garages to protect it from damage and theft. Regular repairs at Los Santos Customs will ensure it performs at its best and maintains its pristine appearance. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle is a happy vehicle. Also, for some great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. You won't regret it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.